So I've been traveling the world non-stop for the majority of my life, learning about myself through the different cultures in various different countries, creating new friends and living life to the fullest. And I captured all of it.
We just arrived in San Jose, Costa Rica. The weather's really tropical. And guess who's here, guys? If you don't know him, Sebastian. It's his first time traveling.
San Jose, although a very quiet town, was just a stopping ground until we started our grand adventure into the land of Costa Rica.
We got Sebastian just waking up. How was my snoring?
It was pretty good.
The most challenging part is trying to figure out what the best rental car company is going to be. So we finally found one. So they're going to deliver the rental at 1 o'clock at our hostel. Let's see how Costa Rica unfolds. Papa Miguel. Hola.
What's going on?
Sebastian. Traveling in Costa Rica, we are going to a town called La Fortuna, where we will be seeing waterfalls, hot spring, and also the famous Arellano volcano. Are you ready?
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
This is my Costa Rica chapter.
We've just arrived here at the ecological park, and it's absolutely gorgeous, guys.
Walking down this little trail over here, looking for some wildlife.
All right, guys, we just spotted a monkey, and the monkey's hiding from us, so we're pretty adamant to find where the monkey is. They're not coming out because they're sleeping, they just told me. Hey guys, I'm here at Palacios Arenal. It's a great hostel to come to here in La Fortuna, and I'm here with Adrian, and he's gonna tell us a few words about La Fortuna.
Hi guys, I'm Adrian. I'm living in La Fortuna. I am the owner of the Palacios Arenal. Very, very nice place. Too much things for make, you know, volcano, hiking, hot springs water, and too much things, you know.
Today we are going to travel to the famous waterfall here in La Fortuna.
Got our new dog friend right here. He's been following us ever since he knew.
Whoa, that is so beautiful. I don't think there's a video that show you the depth into this jungle with this beautiful, stunning waterfall. No joke, this dog has become our personal tour guide down the waterfall. He will not leave us alone. Anytime we stop, the dog stops. Anytime we go, the dog goes. We finally got down to the bottom of this majestic waterfall, and I don't think I've seen a waterfall this big in my life. We're just about to go into the waterfall. It's gonna be super, super cold. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
This is awesome!
Alright guys, we made it up to 2,000 steps. About to drop dead now.
It's been a great day so far, guys. We went to the waterfall, and now it is my turn to cook. So I'm making some eggs, and Rahel made some rice and some ratatouille. So we're gonna grub, and then we're gonna get on the road for the next 5 hours and move to Manuel Antonio. Sebastian is landing the drone on the roof perfectly. Wow. Bro.
That's how we do it in California.
Oh, okay, guys, we're having a blast. Enjoy the rest of Costa Rica adventure. We are just arriving, passing through 𝐵𝐷𝐃𝐄. It's been about a 4-hour drive.
I'm so stoked to get in the water, in the ocean, and go for a snorkel and just see what is. Oh, look, guys, you can see the ocean is right next to us, and it looks fucking amazing.
We're heading down to Playa Macha Beach, and we're pretty excited. They never had a pathway to the beach that's this majestic. The coolest thing about where we're staying is they're called howler monkeys, and you can hear them in the middle of the night and during the day. They sound so scary, guys. It sounds like a tiger that's approaching you in the middle of the night. It's gonna devour you in your bed.
They woke me up at 5 in the morning, and I was like, what the hell was that? And they're actually super small. They're not big at all.
We're just entering here at the Manuel Antonio National Park.
Okay.
Gracias. My first recommendation is that when you guys get here, you buy a ticket at the stand, because there's going to be a lot of people that are trying to sell you maybe fake tickets or over expensive tickets. So we're just putting some sunscreen on Sebastian. He just paid $15.
Yeah, guys, this is the most expensive sunscreen I've ever purchased, so it better be good.
Yeah, and it smells really good. It smells like money.
It smells like money, and it tastes like money.
I'm here with Ricardo to say a few words about the national park.
Hey, how are you people? Manuel Antonio is located in the very important ecosystem known as transition forest. So here you can see things from the dry and the wet forest. You can find sloth, you can find monkey, you can find lizards, snakes, many things around. Hope you guys want to come into Costa Rica. We're waiting for you here.
All right, guys, let's head into the park and see some of those wildlife, and specifically some white-faced monkeys. We were this close to not getting in because they saw that we had drones, and the guy that was trying to upcharge us for a freaking like tour guide thing, he was so adamant and he was like, nope. But then this coconut guy found us a locker and it was awesome. Could have easily spent maybe a couple more hours here because they got the beach and, you know, you can like go through down these little pathways to see all the wildlife. Now we're leaving because it's crunch time. We have to go back to a little boat tour. That'll be fun. We are still in Manuel Antonio, but today we are going ziplining. Thank you. Okay. We are all strapped in, we are all buckled up, and we are ready. Don't try this at home. Let's get started. Are you ready? Yeah, baby! We've done our first zip line. 13 more to go. Are you ready?
Yes. Let go of your hands. Bye.
Okay, guys, welcome to the zipline competition of 2021. Yeah! All right, we're going down, guys. Ziplining has been a super awesome adventure here in Manuel Antonio in Costa Rica. Man, these guys are super pros. They keep us safe and they keep the comedy and the entertainment going. Highly recommend when you guys come out to Manuel Antonio to try the ziplining. We'll leave a link in the bio as a recommendation. We just got to Las Brisas Waterfall. Took us about 45 minutes to hike up this wonderful and beautiful lush jungle. And now we're just about to go swimming in this little pond area.
Pura vida.
It is the moment of truth and it is the end of the Costa Rican adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. We'll see you guys in the next country. Peace.
They dance well, Robbie?
What?
They dance very well or not?
What?
The ladies, they dance well?
Oh yeah, I
Really?
just danced with them.
That's so cool.
Yeah, we're getting married.
Cool.
I don't know, all of us.
Nothing. So.
It's day 3. Quiet!
Damn it. We just saw a sloth, an iguana that changed colors, and a white-faced monkey. Check out this monkey. We're getting married! We're getting married, Mom!